Welcome to Communication for Happiness, Dr. Sushil, and the cue card is describe a building in your city where you want to visit, and the cues are name of the building, describe the building, and why do you want to visit this building. हर एक क्यू कार्ड में 3 पार्ट्स होते हैं। पहला उसका बैकग्राउंड, दूसरा नंबर पे आता है उसका मेन वाला पार्ट और तीसरे नंबर पे आता है कंक्लूशन। इस क्यू कार्ड का बैकग्राउंड आप प्रोग्रेस से बना सकते हो कि हर सिटी प्रोग्रेस कर रहा है। इसका बैकग्राउंड आप अच्छी अच्छी बिल्डिंग्स का इंपोर्टेंस से बना सकते हो। ओके, मैं इसका बैकग्राउंड ऐसे बनाना चाहूंगा। सिंस the last many years my city has seen many sea changes. CSEACCHANGE sea change, बहुत बड़ा बदलाव। sea समुद्र जितना बदलाव। Since the last few years my city has seen sea changes in every aspect, every aspect. So many big parks, so many malls, so many other facilities they have been included, and these things they have given a tremendous identity to my city. A tremendous means shandar identity to my city. Now my city is known across, not only across the country but also globally. In the last few years many new buildings, multi-story buildings, they have come into existence, and many of them I have visited, but some are left where I would like to visit very soon. And these two buildings are, the first one is the secretariat of my city, the newly built secretariat of my city, and the second building is the new gymnasium. And I like to describe these two buildings first over here. Earlier many government offices, like when you talk about Tehsildar, Subdivisional Magistrate, and Block Education Officer, means they had offices in the different parts of the city, and to get work done people had to move to different corners of the city. That was a huge problem. Couple of years back the government came with a new and fantastic idea, that was getting a new secretariat built in my city, means where all the offices they are under the same roof, and people they don't have to go here and there to get their work done. Means like if you have some work in education office, same building. If you want to meet the deputy just commissioner of the city, same building. If you want to meet the superintendent of the police, same building. So this building has helped people immensely. EMMENSELY, immensely means बहुत ज़्यादा. So far I haven't been over there. There were some chances, but I couldn't go. But very soon I'll just go and visit this building. The second building is the gymnasium. My city has got many schools, and they have very big playgrounds, but my city was lacking in one area. Means like there was no gymnasium hall with a coach. 3 months back I was reading newspaper, and I just read one news which made me very happy, that the member of parliament of our city was going to inaugurate a gymnasium hall. Means I saw the facade, FACADE, facade था outer looking of a building. कोई बिल्डिंग बाहर से कैसे दिखती है उसको फसाड कहते हैं. I saw the facade of gymnasium hall, and the newspaper also described the facilities which will be provided in the gymnasium hall, where all students of all schools can go and practice. These two buildings, they are in my list, and as soon as I get time, I'll certainly be over there. So this was the answer of this question. Describe a building of your city where you would like to visit very soon. I'm Dr. Sushil from Communication for Happiness. Our institute deals in IELTS, PTE, study visa, French and spoken English. If you are in Panipat, do visit us, and please subscribe our YouTube channel. It's Communication for Happiness. Thank you very much.